What up YouTube, this is Dino here with a brand new video once again. This time around I'm doing a extra large deck box that I got at Lowe's for my back patio area thing, so we can put all the pillows in, because with sun, rain and all this other stuff they get ruined. So I'm about to put that together, see how it looks, maybe load it up with the pillows, show you how that looks. Let's get it. This one is from Lowe's. It is 29 inches wide, 52 3/4 of an inch long, 26 inches tall, and 124 gallon capacity. It's pretty big, and the door, it like lifts and opens by itself. So let's unbox this thing and then put it together, see how this whole thing will look. Let's get it. Alright, here we are. We have about 2, 4, 6 pieces, and then we have a couple of parts in this box. This is not bad looking, at least not yet. So I'm about to look at the manual, which is this. This is the brand, I guess, Suncast. Let's assemble this thing and see what we get out of it. Here we are, we got the sides, the bottom, the lid will probably be the most difficult part because it has those lifts, so it opens by itself, but this is it so far. Man, dear Suncast, Lowe's, or whoever makes this thing, what the heck is this? Like, this little bar right here is like really hard to put up. The directions are not really clear, and why can't you guys do that thing, like pre-install it or something, because it's very difficult and it's not really secure with these screws into plastic. So we'll see how that thing handles, but right now, man, it doesn't look that good. I just hope it holds. If it doesn't hold, we're gonna have a problem. Bruh. All right, let's put some stuff in and see how much it fits. Perfect fit. See if we can close it. There it is. I have to put a lock on something on there so the wind doesn't pick it up. Looking good, looking good.